In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add cards in Trello the easy way, clicks and keyboard shortcuts. Whether you're opening Trello for the first time or sharpening your workflow, adding cards is the core skill that keeps your lists moving. Cards are your tasks, ideas, or reminders, and each one lives inside a list on your board. Today, I'll show you two reliable methods to create them, so you can pick the one that fits your style and your device. First up, the basic click method. Open the list where you want the task to live and scroll to the bottom. You'll see the option that says Add a Card. Click it, type the task name or short description, and then click the Add button to drop it onto the list. This method is perfect when you want to be deliberate and see exactly where the card will appear. Keep your titles short and action-oriented. Think draft project outline instead of a long paragraph. You can always open the card later to expand details, but a clear title helps you scan your board at a glance. If your list is long, make sure you actually reach the bottom so you don't miss the Add a Card prompt. Now for speed lovers, there's a keyboard shortcut. Hover your mouse over an existing card or click anywhere inside the list to focus it. Then press the N key on your keyboard. That instantly opens a new card composer. If you press N while your cursor sits in a blank space in the list, Trello places the new card at the bottom. This method shines when you're brainstorming or logging multiple tasks in quick succession, and it keeps your hands on the keyboard so you stay in the flow. Because this is a keyboard shortcut, it's most helpful on desktop or laptop. On mobile, you'll rely more on tapping. Add a card. Use whichever approach matches the moment. If you're planning thoughtfully, the click method gives you precision. If you're moving fast, the N key keeps you flying. Either way, the goal is to capture the task quickly, then keep momentum by organizing and executing. If you found value in today's video, tapping like is a small gesture that makes a big difference in helping others discover this content. We're always looking to improve, so drop a note in the comments. Tell us what helped, or share a suggestion on how we can level up. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next. Now, go add those cards and make your board work for you.